My name is Jordan. Deadly game, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so I just started to look at Look, I have to make I have no choice. But I didn't lose anything. Mood. Let's go again. That round was not close because I started recording when I was already in the match. So let's go. Here we are into the match. This guy's gonna wreck me. Look at the chest. Look at the chest. Come at me. Come at me. I'm not scared. I'm almost dead. Do not come near me. I see you. Okay, so he apparently got scared. I don't know why. Come on, I was reloading. Oh, I came just as second as the sweeping more. I mean, I don't know what a sweeping more is, but let's get into the third round. Alright, so we are back. And here we are. Wait, what? How did they know I already start when I wasn't here? Well, I'm gonna join a different server now. So here we are, hopping into an afternoon battle match. Okay, so afternoon battlefield. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. Ready games. I'm not gonna knife anyone, but I'm looking so that they don't knife me. Yeah? Huh? Oh, coming. Wait. Okay. So I ran all the way to the border. So that no one could see me. So now, I'm gonna go run in here. I wasn't doing that, but I got the picture of him from the chest. Is it me? Okay, there's a huge failure on me there. What's in here? Am I recording right? Oh, I see someone. I'm going. It's someone with this thing. This is a scary match because there's really three. Where'd he go? He's in there. How did I not get one person from this game? Yes, sir. He got the really good weapon. Okay, so let's go. He's in the last spot. In this match. Oh, sorry for the rotated screen there. So, let's go. Shut up. Okay, so let's go. Let's go ahead and find him. Shut up. Again. Stupid. Okay, so. Wait, is it testing me? Okay, so no one's here, but I can't freaking find. So I cannot find a spot anywhere. He's like a shadow. Yeah, he's still here. I only have 5 minutes left. What? Okay, well, that's easy. I don't care. 2.